Hi, I'm Tom and welcome. In this video, I'll be going over how to set up your iPad to use with your S Series desk. Firstly, requirements. These are detailed in the DiGiCo app manual, but I will go over them now. iPad 2 or later. iPad mobile data should also be switched off when using the DiGiCo S app. Make sure it's on iOS 7 or later. And of course, a wireless access point with a minimum speed of 150 megabytes per second. And lastly, console software. Version 1.4 or later, please. Let's connect the router to the desk. We can use one of two methods, the first being DHCP. Firstly, set the wireless access point to DHCP mode. Consult your router's manual for instruction on this. Set the console to receive an IP address via DHCP. Navigate to Settings and press DHCP Renew. Wait until a valid IP address is displayed near the DiGiCo logo button. On the iPad, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and select the relevant wireless access point. In the Wi-Fi configuration page, select DHCP. Check the DNS entry. If not automatically populated, then please enter 8888 as your DNS value and enter a search domain of google.com. The second method is with static IP addresses. Firstly, set the wireless access point to have a static IP within the same subnet as the console. For example, I'll use 192.168.1.10 with a subnet mask of 255.255.0.0. Set the console to have a static IP address within the same subnet as the wireless access point. So for example, 192.168.1.11 with the same subnet mask. Select the System tab and type the information in the Set IP address manually. Now set the iPad to have a static IP address in the same subnet as the wireless access point and console. For example, 192.168.1.12 with the same subnet mask. In the Wi-Fi configuration page, select Static. Now follow what we did on the DHCP setup. Enter a DNS of 8888 and enter a search domain of google.com. Once set up, we can connect the iPad to the desk via the S Series app. On your console, select Extensions, select iPad. Now, enable iPad control by pressing the button at the top of the panel. Remember to disable this function when iPad control is not required. Enter the iPad's IP address. Enter send and receive port numbers for the console. For example, send is 9000, receive is 8000. Let's navigate back to the S Series iPad app. In the connection window, enter the S Series console IP address as noted in the console's iPad configuration panel. Enter send and receive port details for the iPad. Remember, these will be related to the numbers you put on the S Series console. A button will now display the console model and name. Tap on this button to now connect to the desk. If this button does not display, you have not configured the desk or router correctly. When a valid connection has been created, it will automatically create an item in the connections list. Recall this by touching the connections button and selecting that connection from the list. Additional new connections are created by touching the plus button on the right of the screen. Thanks for listening and check out my other videos for more basic information on how to set up and use your S Series console.